Welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss the different kinds of food that you should avoid if you want to have a healthy and younger looking skin. But before we start, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. So aging is a process that no one from us likes. Others might be spending a lot of money as well as time just to improve their skin. But most of the time it doesn't work right away. There are some factors that contributes to speeding up of the aging of our skin, and some of these are sun, stress, smoking, and other unhealthy lifestyles. But did you know that one of the major factor that makes our skin aged is bad and unhealthy foods? So stay tuned and we will tell you about these foods. Number 12. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates refers to processed sugar and processed flour, which break down into sugar. Processed sugar ages your skin by creating molecules called AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. This process is known as glycation, a major factor in premature aging. The foods that we are talking about here includes muffins, pastries, pasta, pizza crust, and bread that are made of white flour, as well as boxed, packaged and store-bought foods. Number 11. Vegetable oils. Vegetable oils like canola and soybean are highly processed and can lead to damaged cell membranes. This fastens aging process and leaves you with an increased risk of heart disease. Vegetable oils are also rich in trans fats, which promote inflammation, making your skin more vulnerable to UV damage. A weakened skin barrier can lead to hyperpigmentation and sunspot galore. Since vegetable oils are used on a regular basis, their risks are increased. You can opt for healthier options like coconut and olive to avoid harmful effects of vegetable oil. Number 10. Cheese. Cheese is actually a superfood, so it is healthy for you. However, dairy products such as milk, butter, cheese, milk chocolate, all will increase oil production and lead to blocked pores, which can cause blackheads and breakouts. If you're experiencing some acne, maybe pass on the pizza or the loaded mac and cheese. Number 9. Alcohol. Red wine may be known as a good source of antioxidants, but alcohol may actually be worse for your skin when it comes to acne and anti-aging. Alcohol contains sugar, which spikes blood sugar levels and may contribute to aging by depleting collagen. It's also dehydrating, which prevents your skin from retaining moisture and can cause dark circles around your eyes. Number 8. Deep-fried foods. Deep-fried foods like French fries and fried chicken are high in artificial trans fats and AGEs. These fried foods are often cooked in vegetable oils, which promote inflammation. Eating deep-fried foods regularly increases the risk for diabetes and heart disease and causes cellular damage that weakens the skin's elasticity. Number 7. Sugar. Sugar is the biggest aging contributing food. It interferes with collagen and elastin, which are your skin's favorite proteins. When sugar is broken down, it binds to collagen. This binding to collagen can cause wrinkles and sagging of the skin. Processed sugars are also metabolized faster in your body and can lead to high insulin response in the blood. High blood sugar speeds up your body's aging process and is also responsible for making your skin look wrinkly. It also leads to weight gain, making you look older than you are. Sugary foods to avoid include sweets, candies, chocolates with processed sugars, and donuts. Dark chocolates are safe as long as they're without added sugars. Number 6. Soda. Soda has crazy amounts of added sugar and can wreak havoc on your skin. Added sugar is the most aging food that we consume. It can make your skin lackluster and speed up your body's production of wrinkles. Of all the foods that can speed up aging, unnatural sources of sugar are some of the worst. Number 5. Margarine. Margarine is high in partially hydrogenated oils, another name for artificial trans fats. Unlike the naturally occurring trans fats found in dairy and meat, artificial trans fats have been shown to cause inflammation in the gut and increase the risk for diseases. These trans fatty acids make the skin more vulnerable to ultraviolet radiation, which can damage the skin's collagen and elasticity and increase wrinkles. Number 4. Processed meat. Processed meats like salami, bacon, and sausages have become an integral part of daily diet. But they can really speed up the aging process. This is due to the presence of preservatives and sulfites in these meats, which are pro-inflammatory, making you look older. Plus, the high amounts of salt in these processed meats boosts your water retention and makes you look puffy. Processed meats also contain nitrates and other compounds which are known to be pro-inflammatory. Inflammation causes aging from the inside out. The saturated fat in these meats is responsible for aging of your heart. You can replace processed meats with lean meats such as chicken and turkey. Or simply load up on more greens instead, for slowing down aging. Number 3. Spicy food. It's unclear why it's bad for our skin, but spicy food can trigger flare-ups in existing skin conditions, especially acne. Acne and other inflammatory skin conditions are a sign of excess heat in the body, and therefore, eating spicy foods, which have warming properties, should be avoided. Number 2. High-sodium foods. Consuming too much salt can draw water out from the skin and lead to dehydration. This leads to water retention and a puffy, tired appearance. Over time, a high-salt diet depletes your collagen reserves, which result in visible aging of your skin. Eating too much salt can cause high blood pressure, stroke, heart disease, and kidney disease. Avoid processed foods like frozen meals, canned soups, sauces, potato chips, and processed meats as they are high in sodium. Number 1. Dairy. When we consume the milk, it leads to increased levels of inflammation, skin breakdown, aging and acne in many people. Dairy products contain certain hormonal components that can stimulate oil production. The more oil your body produces, the more likely it is to clog your pores, which leads to breakouts. So now that you know the foods that you should not eat to achieve the young and healthy-looking skin, what are the foods that you will start to give up? Let us know in the comments below. If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.